imaginaryo.
Well, that's
naman.
very true. It's not the entire. Can you imagine 110 million Filipinos? If you will follow the prosecution's theory, Mr. Duterte, when he declared war on drugs, he was targeting the entire population. As correctly pointed out by Attorney Kaufman, it was only limited to those perceived to be or suspected to be criminals. How will you explain that there are more than 100 policemen killed during police drug operation? More than 100 also, and the record will show that, have been seriously injured. If it is true that these people were killed senselessly, defenseless, how would you explain that? So, paano napatay itong mga pulis na ito? Paano ito nasugatan? Kung walang, according to the prosecution, never na naglaban. Talaga may mamamatay pag you're involved in a drug syndicate and you're addicted to it. Talaga may hindi ka susuko ng peacefully. Talagang lalaban at lalaban.
Dinipensahan naman ni Panelo si Kaufman sa sinabi nitong hindi maaring tawaging crime against humanity ang ginawa ng dating Pangulo dahil hindi naman buong civilian population ang nasawi.